Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be providing you with a full guide on how to make a group chat on Messenger. Group chats are a great way to connect and communicate with multiple people at once. So, let's jump right into the steps. Step 1. Open the Messenger app on your Android device. Step 2. Once you're in the app, locate the pencil icon at the top right corner of the screen. Give it a gentle tap. Step 3. A menu will appear, and from there, select Group Chat. This will initiate the process of creating a new group chat. Step 4. Now, it's time to choose who you want to be a member of your group. Scroll through your contacts and mark the individuals you wish to include. You can select as many or as few as you like. Step 5. Once you've made your selections, tap on the Create button located at the top right of the page. Congratulations! You've successfully created a group chat on Messenger, and that's it. You have successfully created a group chat on Messenger. Now you can easily chat and share with all the members of the group. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful guides. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.